Good morning guys, this is me Vinith and welcome back to my YouTube channel V Diaries. And today's video is going to be different. The setup is different. I'm on my bike and I want to address a problem and a solution to that, and that is related to external audio recording on GoPro Hero 5. That may apply to GoPro Hero 6 as well, but I'm not sure. So let's stick to GoPro Hero 5. So you've already bought that expensive camera with the expensive adapter of $50. You're still struggling with getting a seamless audio on your GoPro recording. So what happens is sometimes it records, and most of the times it's the audio is missing from the video. So this solution will actually address the issue. So it's a software bug, so don't worry, your hardware is intact. Your GoPro Hero 5, your mic adapter is working fine. Just make sure that your mic is working by using it somewhere else. So the issue is related to a feature in GoPro Hero 5 that is called quick capture. So I'll give you a quick idea about what quick capture is all about. It's a setting in GoPro which saves you a lot of time. Okay, the usual way to start your camera, hold on for a sec. Okay, that doesn't allow you to break the signal, idiots. Never mind. Normal way, the layman way to start the GoPro is to click the mode button first, then press the action button to actually start recording. The mode button will start your camera and the action button will start your recording. But what quick capture does is, if you have that setting enabled, even if your camera is turned off, when you click the action button, it starts the camera and starts recording. And that's where exactly the problem lies. When you use the external adapter with the mic that you're using, if you use the quick capture feature, it simply fails to detect the audio, and that's how messy it is, right? So what you can do is you can go to preferences, go to quick action and disable that setting. Now I know it's going to be a pain when you start the camera, but it will ultimately save you from having no audio. So whenever you want to record anything, just press the mode button and click and press the action button, and voila, that's how I'm doing it right now. And as you can see, the audio is getting recorded without any issues. I hope this video helped you guys. I would appreciate if you give me a thumbs up by pressing that like button, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make tech videos and touring videos as well. This is my first way to kind of a moto vlog. This is my first attempt, so if I have messed it up, kindly forgive me. And this is how the traffic in Pune is. Oh my goodness, where should I go? Where should I go? I'll go this side. No issues. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope this particular solution saved you from any situations. If it did, drop a like. This is Vinny signing off. We will have a wonderful time. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, ciao ciao.